Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gordon Ramsay's easy French toast. First, gather your ingredients: thick-cut brioche, 3 large eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar. Whisk the eggs, milk, and sugar together in a shallow dish. This creates the rich custard base for your toast. Ensure the brioche is at least 1 inch thick to prevent it from becoming soggy. Now, gently place each brioche slice into the custard, allowing it to soak for about 20 seconds on each side. You want it fully saturated but not falling apart. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a generous knob of butter. Once the butter is melted and slightly foaming, carefully place the soaked brioche into the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until beautifully golden brown and caramelized. Once your French toast is perfectly golden, transfer it to a wire rack. This prevents the bottom from getting soggy while you finish the rest. For a classic presentation, dust generously with powdered sugar. You can also add a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. Serve your delicious French toast immediately with fresh berries, a drizzle of warm maple syrup, or a dollop of crème fraîche. For an even better result, use day-old brioche. It absorbs the custard more effectively without becoming mushy. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain consistent heat. A little vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon in the custard can elevate the flavor profile significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your amazing homemade French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.